Gotcha. Yeah, you just stay over there. Stay away from my kickstand.
Why are you guarding it?
You're sneaky. Alright, what's up, guys? We're actually... right now we are heading to a local cars and coffee meetup. Should be some pretty interesting cars there. We have some interesting cars in the area. The car scene here isn't really too big though, so you don't really see, you know, anything like Lamborghini, Porsche, or anything like that. There's a chance, but for all you big city guys, don't judge our little cars and coffee, because it's not quite the biggest. Justin was actually supposed to roll in with me, but we had a pretty late night last night on the bike, so I don't think he actually woke up in time to go. So we was actually supposed to roll into a car show last night too, and by the time we just got done installing the intakes on our bikes, and we met up with a friend and got sidetracked and started riding, and it was already over with by the time we realized what time it was.
Rolling in incognito, you can't even hear that thing.
It's one.
What's the difference between this one and the that like China one that they're selling for like $1,500?
A lot actually.
A lot?
Yeah.
Are they? Is it one down, rest up?
Yeah, one down, three up.
I don't know. That's all the time. You know, whatever. Oh yeah. Yeah.
He flipped us off.
We don't speak like an
That never lift life.
I was like, holy shit.
Are you ready?
You're gonna beep it, you?
Yeah. Oh. What's up, YouTube? I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but it's nice out, we're riding, so might as well. I kind of just wanted to turn my camera on because I'm taking US Route 50 to get to DSD so I can get some oil and change the oil out of my bike, because it's due for its first service at almost 630 miles. So, but anyways, Route 50 can be pretty dangerous, and I'm on a bike that hardly does 60, so in case I die, I want to film it, so that's why I'm vlogging this. We had a car show planned about 5 o'clock. I don't know if I'm going to take my car. I don't know. I'm feeling lazy today, and I just don't really want to get it ready and prepared to go to a car show. So I think instead we're probably going to change the oil out in this, and I just cruise our bikes over and check out some cars. Just a little longer, because I don't like big trucks on little bikes. Alright, after this truck we are good to go. that's the fastest I've had this bike yet. I was tucking pretty hard. Shit. Oh.
What'd you waving for?
How hard was I leaning?
Pretty good.
I hit my foot.
Oh. Yeah, I was like, damn, he's really getting down in there.
Thank you.
You're a blast.
What are they registered for?
Go about 60.
Yeah, you can get about 64 out of them.
Hey, aren't we going that way?
Yeah, we'll find a way.
Hey, do a wheelie. You pulled over by security. Hey, that's like Albert.
We are the definition of hoodlums right now.
The security guard was like, I'm just gonna follow him.
Uh-oh. I heard it though.
Slowest wheelie I think I've ever done.
Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna try to make this quick because it is so hot out here. It's unbearable. But I got some new handlebars for the Z and we're putting them on right now. I'm gonna do a little bit of a comparison to them for you. The stock handlebars are obviously the ones on top, and I got KLX 110 bars on the bottom. And as you can see, they're slightly a little bit wider, and they have a different angle and they're longer. And what I'm hoping for is to make these feel a little bit more like a dirt bike kind of, and increase my ability to wheelie. So we got everything off the bike now, and we're getting ready to put the KLX bars back on. And one thing I will say is removal of the stock handlebars is a complete pain in the ass. You got these little push pins on the handlebars that hold the brake lines together. They're not so bad. Just take a pair of pliers that pulls out. The hardest part is actually getting the clutch side lever off. And it's stuck on there really tight. So you just kind of got to wiggle it back and forth. Eventually it'll start to free up, and then you got to get past all the grip glue. So it's definitely a pain in the ass, but hopefully these bars are worth it, because I don't want to have to change these out again. Alright, so that was a royal pain in the ass to do, but the bars are swapped and everything's back on. And the worst part about this is it looks good, and I absolutely hate it. I think they're too wide. It just doesn't feel good at all. I feel like I'm riding a chopper. So they're probably not going to stay on, but I do not have the mindset to change them out again today. So I'm going to ride it for now. Maybe I'll adjust to it. I don't know. But here's what they look like. Yeah, I just need a 10-piece nugget and a bottle of water. Alright. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. You too. I haven't ate yet, so I need the food.
Oh, go on, just do what you do.